Hi, it's Natalie from Fabricland. We want to inspire you for Christmas. I know it's early, but basically if you're a maker, you have to get in quick, don't you? Because everything starts to pile up. These are our beautiful stockings, and I had to hold this because it is so gorgeous with the bow and everything, and that would make my day to be given something like that. However, we have Maxine in her shirt she made. This is beautifully tailored shirt, and it's quite simple to make. Tell them about your shirt, Max.
Okay, so we've done a bundle on our website using this pattern, and it's a unisex pattern, okay, and it's got your buttons, everything comes in your kit, your buttons, your interfacing. So I just think this will look gorgeous on Christmas Day. Lots of different fabrics you can choose from. We've got all of these fabrics as well on our website. So we've got some more funkier things, more traditional unicorns. Look lovely for kiddies' pyjamas for Christmas Day. So lots of different things to choose from. And then we've got some more stockings made in different combinations. And they've got volume fleece inside, so they're padded. So that's a nice quick make for you. Okay, another shirt. You know, you can make it short-sleeved if you want it.
If you're a hot person or a hot husband.
Okay.
Oh, a hot husband. I like one of them.
And then we've got this lovely Christmas tree skirt. Okay, and we do the pom-pom fringe, all our own fabrics.
Yeah. And then we've also got these bags, which I've seen made on the television, and you just pull them wherever the thing is, and you can put your presents in, and then you can use them again, and you can make them and give them to your friends, and they can use them again. So it's all happening here. Go ahead, tell them about the fat quarters.
Right, also these fabrics that we've got here, we also do in small fat quarter packs.
So you can make your masks.
Yeah,
God forbid we still need them.
Yeah, and if you want a smaller piece of fabric just to do like the tops with, you can get it on there. Okay.
Say goodbye, Max.
Goodbye, Max.